The woman read the information on the computer screen. The businesswoman read a report. The man read a book while he was waiting for the train. The mother read her sick child a story. The teenage girl read the Bible and became a Christian. The woman read a book when she was camping outside in the countryside. The girl chose a book in the library and read it from beginning to end. The man lied down on the ground and read a magazine. The mother read her baby a bedtime story. The old man read the leaflet that came with the medication. The woman read the map when she was traveling on the train. The woman read the instructions on the prescription from the doctor. The accountant read the annual financial report. The man read a message on his smartphone. The old age pensioners read their shopping list to see what they had to buy. The woman read the sell-by date on the packaging. The woman read a very emotional book that brought her to tears. The angry man read how much tax he has to pay to the government. The actor read the script before he performed on the stage. The woman read a magazine at the office. Santa Claus read a list of all the toys he had to get the children for Christmas. The woman read a book on her Kindle. The child read a story where the book came to life. The man read the newspaper. The woman read the latest news on the internet. The girl read a letter that really saddened and depressed her. All the members of the book reading group read a part of the book. The teenage girl read her emails while she was walking along. The businesswoman read the document at her desk. The couple read the amount on their electricity bill. They weren't happy. Santa Claus read the children a magic story from the magic book. The couple read the menu when they were in the restaurant. The woman read a book when she was doing her laundry. The businessman read a positive review about his business. The woman read a fashion blog article on her tablet. The man read the dictionary to improve his vocabulary. The student read her notes before she sat the exam. The man read the instruction manual before he set up the TV.